What if I told you a meme coin linked to Trump skyrocketed to the top 20 in market cap, made 600 people millionaires, brought $45 million in commissions for Solana, and overloaded an entire blockchain? Sounds wild, right? Well, it all started on Solana. And that's where things get interesting. In today's video, we're not just diving into Trump's meme coin, though we will get to that. Trust me, it's an interesting story. But we are also taking a step back to look at the bigger picture, the entire market. How is it performing right now? What's coming next? And most importantly, what should we be doing about it? Solana, a blockchain known for speed and low fees, became the unexpected stage for this strange market show. But here's the twist. While the token soared, the market itself was quietly losing steam. And the liquidity? It started shifting from other assets to Trump's coin. Basically, it means that people were selling all their crypto to buy some Trump's coin. But what did Trump do in return? He sold $500 million worth of Trump coin in order to buy tokens that people were selling. Fun, right? What happened with Solana? Since the launch was on Solana, Solana started getting all the attention. But here's the catch. While the price of Trump's coin shot up, the market overall was bleeding liquidity. A lot of people didn't even notice that this was happening. And because of the buzz around it, even Google searches for how to buy crypto went through the roof. The hype was real, but wait, what about Ethereum? Let's talk about the real drama. As Solana was getting all the limelight, people started moving their money from Ethereum to Solana, mainly because of fear of missing out. People didn't do this with logic, they just panicked. They saw Ethereum slowly stagnating, ETH Bitcoin was flat, and Solana was the new shiny thing. And while all this was happening, $1.3 billion in positions got liquidated. That's a massive loss, and it happened right before one of the most active market phases, right before Trump's inauguration, no less. The FOMO factor. Now, why are people making such crazy decisions? Well, when you see all this, if you bought this token 2 days ago, you would be rich, posts on Twitter, X platform, it's hard not to get caught up in the hype. But here's the point. When you're chasing the next big thing without thinking about it, you're just setting yourself up for a fall. This is classic market manipulation. And trust me, you don't want to be the one left holding the bag when the hype fades. Trump bought Ethereum, so as many other big funds, and while everyone hates it, we will soon see the result. Everybody hated the market in the summer and then it skyrocketed, and now everyone hates Ethereum, so you know what's coming next. Also, while Solana might seem like it's growing, remember 2021? NFTs were hot, everyone was making money, but the scammers showed up and most people lost it all. Crypto is a zero-sum game, and when things seem too good to be true, they often are. Solana's ecosystem might be hot right now, but how long will that last? And here's that kicker. Trump's team didn't just launch a coin, they used the funds from this project to buy $112 million worth of Ethereum and other coins. So while people are hyped about Trump's token, they are basically playing into the hands of those who are orchestrating the whole thing. What's next? Look at the Google search trends and you will see that interest is growing. But let's not kid ourselves. This is preparation for a big dump. People are being pulled in with FOMO, but the real danger is that we're not in accumulation phase right now. We're in distribution. And when distribution happens, the market is about to unload. It's not going to crash overnight, but it's coming in several months. So let's talk about the worst case scenario. If the market starts to drop, it's not going to be some sharp, sudden plunge. It's more likely to happen slowly and gradually, kind of like what we saw in the summer of 2024. This approach lets big players take money out of the market while still keeping it attractive enough to draw in new investors. It's the perfect setup to make people think there's still a chance even when it's starting to go downhill. Bitcoin's price will likely continue to follow the classic week-half distribution pattern. It will probably hit new highs, but don't expect the explosive moves like we saw in January 2024. We're looking at targets around 112K, 115K, 118K, and 125K. If Bitcoin breezes through these levels, we might see bigger range opening up between 130K and 150K. Ethereum might look like it's dying for a while, but don't be fooled. Over the 1-2 weeks, we could see a crazy spike that catches everyone off guard. Imagine this. Everyone's saying ETH isn't going to grow, and then boom, plus 30-40%. The catch? A lot of people will be too proud or stubborn to buy in at the right time. They will end up shorting it, trying to prove themselves right and get wrecked in the process. So what to do right now? If the market is rising, focus on coins that aren't showing much movement. You probably won't see the same lag and delayed growth we saw back in November, so if something isn't moving now, it's unlikely to move anytime soon. If we're stuck in sideways market with low volatility, start scaling out gradually, taking profits over time. If there is growth, take profits in small chunks, like 5-7% along the way. If you're thinking of taking bigger risks, maybe wait a month before rebalancing your spot portfolio. So what do you think, guys? Are you ready to adjust your strategy depending on the market's mood, or will you hold your ground through whatever comes next? Nevertheless, remember to check out our free Telegram channel not to miss heavy market moves. And guys, don't forget to hit that notification bell, subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends, and till the next time, guys. Bye!